How to buy stock calls. An MLP or a Master Limited Partnership is also known as publicly traded partnership. An MLP is highly flexible as it combines the tax benefits of a limited partnership with the liquidity value of the share of a company. The MLP has the structure of a proper limited partnership but produces units which are traded on a common exchange. In order to qualify for an enterprise to issue Master Limited Partnerships, it needs to earn 90% of its profits through activities related to natural resources, real estate, or commodities. MLPs started enhancing approved during the late 70s and early 80s, where initially they were used for asset securitization financing for real estate-based businesses. Numerous MLPs though started failing during the 1980s. The design of a Master Limited Partnership was being used by businesses in cyclical industries or with depleting assets. Now all these movements in the commercial background generated a bit of a stir, and MLPs were given due significance when Standard & Poor's devised their own index listing a variety of MLPs. The S&P MLP Index was developed to provide investors with exposure to the influential partnerships that trade on the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ. The index includes both Master Limited Partnerships and publicly traded limited partnerships or liabilities companies which have an equivalent lawful arrangement to MLPs and share the same tax benefits. The base value of the S&P MLP Index is 1,000 on July 20, 2001. Data history begins on July 20, 2001. The everyday returns are listed from that specific date. Standard & Poor's, the world's leading index provider, announced today the launch of the S&P MLP Index, an index designed to serve the investment community's demand for a tradable benchmark representing the fast-growing $200 billion Master Limited Partnership market. The index consists of leading liquid Master Limited Partnerships trading on the important U.S. exchange. The launch of the S&P MLP Index is portion of Standard & Poor's strategy of providing the market with tradable benchmarks for different asset classes. The narrative of MLP indices is really little, surely, as the whole concept of an MLP is really new and upcoming. However, if one wants to go into the details of it, referral to the websites of the above-mentioned indices would support.